Selfie, Instagram. Hi. I
look fat on that photo.
By that time, I think I look really fat.
I think with the on that, let's just make our resolution.
By the New Year resolution.
Exactly. For me, number 1, 2, Aki babe, me I want to lose weight. Nataka niende hiyo gym. I trim my waist. Ukisikia kutrim
hivi hourglass figure. Na chupa.
I'm going to go to that gym.
By the way, morning
in the morning I'm running. Pale
kabisa with ginger, uneka ginger na kanini na turmeric. By the way, najua kitu ilifanya ni Mary. Unajua this year January tulianza vizuri. Tukaenda gym, but the only thing we lost is hope kwa hiyo nini.
That's the only thing.
That's the only thing we lost, hope and our money.
True story.
But just this year we need to work on our diet.
Diet. On that smoothie
now
aki to reduce intake ya chicken babe.
To reduce
aki tunakula kuku sana.
But unajua wanasemanga ya kienyeji si mbaya. Tunaweza hata KFC tukule kienyeji.
Tunaweza kula ya kienyeji tulikuwa tunakulanga 15 times na sasa to reduce ikuwe mara 4 kwa wiki. Unaonaje?
Mara 4 si ndogo sana, si tuende 7 8.
Kifike 7
inaweza.
Mara 7 kwa wiki.
Mara 7 is a good number. 7 is a good number. It's a lucky number.
But that's 7.
7 is a lucky number.
Ananiambia date 7. You happen to be to.
Inakuwa Qatar. Nilikuwa nimempata una date 7 on the month of 7.
Actually nimekumbuka tu vizuri sana tunalipanga rent date 7.
Actually it's a good
number. So
you'll
be taking chicken 7 times a week.
7 times a week.
Mara 7 wiki moja tukikula kuku, that's okay. Yeah.
So again babes, kisha mimi kwanza this year inakuja naona 2 bedroom is so small for me.
2 bedroom has been small. Tumekuwa tukingangana na hiyo space.
Hiyo space ni kidogo sana. It makes sense for people like us.
So what do you think we mortgage? Yeah.
Tutakuwa tumepanda bei sana. Tutakuwa tuna overdo hizo.
Tutadu sasa because if we moving from a 2 bedroom ama we move to a 5 bedroom.
By the way, 5 is also a good number.
Very good number.
In school, I used to be number 5.
Yeah, that's nice.
And when I was in class 5, I was the brightest.
Because number 5 class.
Nakucheki. 5 is a good number.
Another one.
Another resolution. We are moving. Me, what I have said, by the way, 2021, where mimi na maombi, WhatsApp group ni moja. God number 1. I'm going to wake up in the morning at 3 a.m. to pray. I'm going to pray for like 2 hours. Prayer and fasting for the 2 hours.
Now, tuna make the 5th day of the week a fasting day.
Cindy, by the way, the 5th day of the week is on?
I think it's on
Monday. Monday is the 5th day of the week.
It's Tuesday.
I may know. 5th day of the week is Friday.
Friday.
Friday is a good day.
Friday is a good day. Thank you. That is what you're going to do.
Ni kuamka mapema.
3
a.m. We pray. That day, no eating. Dry fasting, only water, because you know water is natural, direct from God. Sasa tukikunywa si kama hizi machakula zimemixiwa na chemicals za acne chemicals.
And on that day, that will be
kwa hivyo so ni kufast from morning to evening. Alafu sa weekend tunatafuta tu ataka 1 hour tunaenda church to confess our sins that the whole
we're going to be going
so
to
that to be successful 2021.
It is
a year of success,
a year of
blessings, glory, power down
from
on
our mouth to ear to the God's ears.
Yes. 2021. Hapana, we have lazima tuomoke by the way. So I think kitu nimenini 2021 I'm not going to wear mtumba things.
Coming to think of it,
we should start importing our own clothes.
Thank you. Now we even just get someone who we can book a flight to some other country, just take some clothes. Yeah, we can even open our new brand.
Cindy, because 2021 is our year to shine.
Exactly.
Because easy, lazima tukue na resolutions that make sense.
But alafu tutaziandika after this. Because being focused.
It's good to be focused. Alafu wiki I have decided 2021 2021. By the way, no dating kina Brayos, kina Kevos.
Oh my God,
kina
the rich
Jonte,
men are
I have decided. Kina Jonte, I am not there.
Date 14. How many days from now? Just a few days from now. I will not be alone. Silali kwa kitanda peke yangu. Kwani tutashindianga hivyo? Ai hapana.
Unazaliwa peke yako, unalala kitanda peke yako.
I know. I'm not sleeping alone on 14th. Lazima kamtu kashikile hiyo kitanda.
Hii mwaka 2021 may I have by day to get a good man, good looking,
oh my God, God-fearing,
God-fearing, focused guy,
independent,
responsible.
Thank you.
You see, alafu mwanaume who will walk me down the aisle.
Wasi wakikuona si ule Naomi wa kutembea chini ya aisle.
Imagine
down the aisle chini ya aisle.
Lazima altar boy aseme sijui who if my man will be called, let's say
tuseme anaitwa
X. No, X. Oh, chama ya ana tungetapika
but acha tu next time.
So sema person F.
Person F.
Okay, so person F, person F. Wait. Naomi is coming. Your bride is coming. Kala katoka na ring bell kanisani.
Exactly. So if imalize tu hapo resolution.
So I have to get kids 2021 nimalize. So you know kwanza 2022 no giving birth because hata kama ni watu 7 nataka I'm giving birth them this year at once. You know ndo maana nikasema prayer and fast. So if I want 7 children I'll tell God
number 7 is a good number.
Yeah, nipate 4 in the first giving birth. The second one I get 3 nimalize. So that my prayer and fasting hapo ndo inaingililia. Naenda kuongea na Mungu one on one. Yeah, so 2021
it's our year.
It's our year. We have to shine. Now by the way Android tuache. Babe. 2021
Android. What is Android? What is Android by the way? Hiyo ni nini?
Inakwanga nini?
Hiyo ni nini by the way? Nakwambia bila selfies tutakuwa tunasumbua. I think inakwanga majani fulani hapo hivi.
Majani ama inakwanga
ama ni yogurt. I think it's a yogurt. I don't know.
I think ni matofali. And then ni matofali. And then ni matofali. But 2021 our year tunaimaliza tuna hiyo style. Able to.
Hi guys, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy 2021. God bless you. Hi guys. I'm here with my superstar, my super talented friend. So Naomi here has been nominated for the Gusi Creative Awards as the best female comedian of the year.
Yeah.
I posted it on my status. I've posted it on all my social media platforms. Please vote for my girl so she can get the part.
Thank you.
Thank you
so much. The code is GC8 to 17. You send to 22285.
Yes.
Thanks.
Thank you.